95 years ago today, Santa Barbara was in ruins. A magnitude 6.3 earthquake hit about 6:30 in the morning and broke apart many buildings, including the Sheffield Reservoir. An emergency Red Cross center was set up in De La Guerra Plaza. 13 people died. Damage was estimated at $8 million. From the 1925 earthquake came a carefully planned look to the city with strict design and development policies in place to this date. Well, the week is just getting started, but it's a short one for many with the 4th of July holiday coming up this weekend. Let's take a look.